Okay, so my light is amazing. I still have to fix the 2 holes in the ceiling, but there's the light. And then with the remote, we have, we'll stand clear back. We have different naturals and all that, and it dims or gets brighter. And then the fan has different speeds. So it goes from 1 clear up to 6, which is like crazy. And even the 6 is still pretty quiet. 1 you can't even hear. That's 2. Can't hear 2. 3 still quiet. 4 is quiet. Now I can hear a little bit. Anyways, I love it. And we'll dim it down. I just think it's wonderful.